Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if your Google Chrome is extremely slow. So this is actually this doesn't have anything to do with your computer, however this is just something how Google Chrome is optimized and it's just not optimized good. However, here's an easy way to fix this and how you can optimize Google Chrome yourself. It's really easy, so let's immediately start. What you're going to do is you're going to go to the Launchpad here, right here on your Mac. Then what you want to do is you want to click here on this map right here with all those apps you basically never use. Then click here on Activity Monitor. Simply click on it and now this will open. We can now see that I have a lot of things open right now. We can see that my Google Chrome helper is currently running more than 9 gigabytes of my memory, which is of course absolutely crazy. It's using much more than even my Adobe Photoshop, which is a more powerful program. So why is it happening? Why is Google Chrome using so much memory? Well, it's basically just an optimization issue that Google Chrome just doesn't seem to fix. So we need to do it ourselves. In order to fix this and basically remove it, you can simply remove it by double clicking on it, and then this pops up and simply clicking on quit and force quit. Makes the use force quit, and now it's removed, and we can immediately see here in the memory pressure that our computer immediately uses a lot less memory for Google Chrome, and that everything is running smoothly again, and that everything is actually running into the green again. So yeah, sometimes if you have a lot of tabs open on Google Chrome, such as me for example, then your Google Chrome just starts to build up a lot of memory, and sometimes you just need to remove that simply by doing it yourself. It's really easy, just like I showed you, and nothing actually happens when you do it. Nothing closes, nothing, everyone stays the same, which is really nice. So that's how you can fix if Google Chrome is running extremely slow on your Mac. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.